Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to know if someone removed their Snapchat account. So if you want to go ahead and learn if somebody basically removed their Snapchat account, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and proceed with the launching the Snapchat application. What I want you to do from here is to tap on your profile on the upper left corner of the screens. And let's dab on or scroll down to where my friends AB. Now, once we're here, I want you to go ahead and tap on the search bar over here and search for the specific display name or username of the person that you suspect has deleted or has removed their Snapchat account. Now, in the case that you can't search for them or the search results doesn't show their name, well, most likely they have removed their Snapchat account. That gives you your answer, guys. And that's basically for this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.